Some call popcorn magic, a kernel transforming into a superstar. We've simply mastered the art of making that magic happen. Our kernels begin their journey here, harvested by these big green machines. Think of it as a VIP pickup service for corn. Each cob gets a personal send-off, carefully bundled by our team. It's their first-class ticket to becoming delicious. Our corn-carrying team ensures a smooth transition. Even heavy lifting is part of this beautiful snack story. The grand arrival. Our kernels reach the popcorn factory, ready for their debut. No red carpet, but plenty of anticipation. Once inside, it's a bustling hub of activity. The corn undergoes a rigorous prep regimen, getting primed for its transformation from field fresh to fabulous. And now, the moment of truth. With heat and science, our kernels finally unleash their inner fluffy superstar. It's a delightful explosion of fluffy white. A few unpopped rebels? We like to call those character-building kernels. Our team ensures every piece of fluffy goodness is gathered with care. It's a race against this delicious cascade. The secret ingredient arrives. Our sweet powder transforms plain popcorn into perfection. Even the robots are excited. It's an industrial ballet, with robots and humans in perfect harmony. Efficiency is key when crafting deliciousness. Here, the flavor begins its journey, a sweet anticipation of what's to come. We take flavor very seriously. Our experts perform a delicate operation, releasing the flavor magic. It's a critical step for that irresistible taste. It's a well-oiled machine, or rather, a well-powdered conveyor belt, ensuring every sprinkle of flavor is perfectly timed. A river of flavor flowing towards its destiny. The symphony of snack-making continues, always moving forward. A little manual finishing ensures every bit of delicious powder gets where it needs to go. Attention to detail is key. This is the flavor vault, where our precious powder waits for its cue. The guardians of taste are always on duty, topping up the flavor reserves. We believe in abundance when it comes to deliciousness, so no one ever misses out. The popcorn's getting its glow up. We're adding the perfect flavor, ensuring every piece is a true taste sensation. A continuous flow of fluffy delight, gently seasoned for maximum yum. It's a flavorful journey, ensuring even distribution. The ultimate quality control. The taste test. Our expert confirms it's finger-licking good. Better flavor? Guaranteed. This is where the magic happens. Our popcorn gets a spa treatment, ensuring every flake is perfectly seasoned. Witness the flavor symphony. Our popcorn is getting dressed to impress, ready to tantalize your taste buds. From flat sheets to fabulous boxes, our machines are hard at work, creating the perfect popcorn box packaging. The grand finale. Our perfectly seasoned popcorn finds its cozy home, ready for the journey to your couch. The parade of perfection. Each box, branded by Popcorn Company, is a promise of deliciousness moving to its destination. Group hug. Our boxes are getting wrapped up, safe and sound, for their adventure to your local store. Precision packaging in action. We're talking industrial-scale efficiency to get that popcorn to you without a hitch. Filling these fancy black boxes with a steady stream of fluffy joy. It's a precise art, this popcorn distribution. Stripy boxes ready for action. Each one filled to the brim with our signature deliciousness from the Popcorn Company. Bagging the goodness automatically. These stand-up pouches with the Popcorn Company logo are ready for your snack shelf. A human touch ensures every box finds its proper place. It's like Tetris, but much, much tastier. Even popcorn pros need a break, fueling up before they go back to making the world a happier place. The final seal of approval. Our cartons are getting their official stamp of deliciousness, securely taped for travel. The miracle of the pop, in slow motion. It's truly a beautiful transformation, wouldn't you agree? From kernel to cloud. Every single kernel bursting with potential. It's an epic journey for each one. A tiny explosion of joy. A dramatic transformation. One moment a simple kernel, the next a fluffy cloud of deliciousness. Pure magic, right there. Welcome to Popcorn Paradise, a bustling hub where fluffy dreams come true on an industrial scale. It's clean and delicious. The popcorn river flows, a constant stream of fresh, fluffy goodness, ready for its next adventure. Don't worry about any unpopped kernels. Time for a flavor shower. Our popcorn is getting its glitzy, delicious makeover. Watch that golden orange dust fly. A vibrant burst of flavor. This is where plain becomes utterly magnificent, as every piece gets perfectly coated. Double the flavor, double the fun. Because one delicious seasoning just isn't enough for our discerning snackers. A colorful cascade into their new homes. These clear boxes are ready to show off their contents, quickly filled. An orderly procession of flavor, filling each box with precision and speed. A beautiful blend of white and orange gold. For those who prefer a richer experience, a golden river of deliciousness cascades over our fluffy popcorn. Hello, butter. Our popcorn is getting its luxurious butter bath. Prepare for maximum indulgence. That golden liquid is pure bliss. Every single piece gets its fair share of that golden goodness. No popcorn is left behind in this mixing process. For the cheese lovers, get ready for a snowfall of savory goodness. Our popcorn is getting its cheesy glow-up. A cheesy masterpiece in the making. Every flake perfectly coated and ready to deliver that satisfying crunch. You're welcome. For the sweet tooth, a rich caramel drizzle turns our classic popcorn into an irresistible treat. Watch it flow, a swirling dance of caramel and popcorn, ensuring a perfectly coated, sticky, sweet delight. This is gourmet, baby. Our team gets the products ready for their big reveal, ensuring every package is picture-perfect. No detail is too small. Precision loading for flawless presentation. Every package deserves a smooth ride to the wrapper, guided by our skilled operators, sealing in the freshness. Our team ensures every bag is perfectly sealed, preserving that delicious crunch for you. From bulk to bag, it's a carefully orchestrated dance. Our team ensures every pouch is perfectly plump and ready. A touch of human assistance ensures every bag is filled just right. Teamwork makes the snack dream work. Watching these bags fill up is almost as satisfying as eating the popcorn itself. Almost. It's automated perfection. The personal touch. Our dedicated team ensures every bag is packed with care, ready for its journey to your hands. The official stamp of deliciousness. Each bag gets its branding, letting you know it's the good stuff. Our robotic assistants are quick and precise, ensuring every label is perfectly placed. Modern technology meets classic snack. The final inspection and careful stacking. We're almost ready for the big send-off, ensuring everything is just right. Nestling our delicious bags into their cardboard cocoons, preparing them for their grand adventure. Safety and snacks go hand in hand. The great popcorn puzzle. Our team efficiently fills and seals each box, ensuring maximum snack security for shipping. The dispatch department, where dreams are packed and shipped. It's organized deliciousness, making sure every box gets out. Our cartons are getting their VIP treatment, wrapped up tight and ready for the world. Automated packaging at its finest. The final touches for our precious cargo. These packages get their protective armor for the journey, sealed with pride. From individual boxes to towering pallets, our popcorn is getting ready for a grand tour across the country. Our expert logistics team plays real-life Tetris, ensuring every pallet is perfectly packed and secured for the journey. The popcorn exodus begins. Our delicious cargo is loaded up, ready to hit the road and fulfill its snack destiny. Another truck. Another mission to deliver joy. Our team works in perfect sync, ensuring a smooth and speedy departure. Even our robots get in on the action, expertly stacking pallets like a pro, with human oversight, of course. Our logistics team supervises this impressive display of automated loading. Soon, these trucks will be bursting with deliciousness. And just like that, our popcorn begins its adventure, hitting the open road to bring joy to snack lovers everywhere. The moment of truth. From our factory to your shopping cart, bringing smiles one bag at a time. That's a successful mission. Whether it's the silver screen or your living room sofa, our popcorn is the perfect companion for any happy moment. Another successful run. The team celebrates a job well done. Making delicious popcorn is serious business. And also fun. That's how we bring you the best popcorn. Like, subscribe and share the joy.